This is Jordan Tower with JT News. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And make sure you buy a hoodie and support the channel. I appreciate you guys. We're going to talk about 50 Cent. 50 Cent and Rick Ross. Now, 50 Cent is going back to court with Rick Ross. He takes on, he's talking former malpractice. Okay, so if you don't know, back many years ago, 50 Cent lost $32 million lawsuit with Rick Ross's baby mama. He leaked he got his hands on a tape, an explicit tape of his baby mom, and put it out on his website. Because he did that, she launched a lawsuit against him. This isn't the one where he wrote a book with, put out her book. This is the other one. Rick Ross has two baby mothers, or three actually now. So he's demanding permission to depose the chief legal officer of Reed Smith, coincidentally, Michael Scott. He accuses them of malpractice, which they've denied, arguing that they've never performed any work for Jackson in the Leviston matter and has no personal knowledge of the facts of the case. Well, he lost this case, and she was awarded $7 million. Then he turned around and sued the firm for $32 million and argued Mr. Scott's only connection to the Leviston matter has been to serve as Reed Smith's general counsel by giving Reed Smith and Peter Raymond legal advice by representing them at a settlement meeting with counsel for Jackson prior to the filing of any malpractice claim. So basically, there's like a conflict of interest, I guess, with anything. I know. And then it also says the facts concerning Mr. Scott's pertinence to this matter are, however, slightly more nuanced. Okay. 50 Cent replies in court papers. So there's more to the whole thing. We'll have to see how this goes. I don't know if 50 Cent paid the money or he's still fighting with it. I don't know what's going on with that. Then we got, yes, it's still hot out here. Tekashi Harv's lawyers spoke out. As we know, tomorrow they will be, the verdict will be in, and then they'll be sentenced after that, Harv and Nuke. Now, the lawyers gave their closing arguments last week, and then they went on a 6-day break, which is unheard of. Because, usually it's fresh in the juror's mind and they make a decision. They took like a vacation. Now they're coming back. They're saying in their closing arguments, Danny didn't care if the stunt could be taken as embarrassing. He thought it was believable and that it would boost his credibility to boost his claim to fame. To boost this video that came out with Nicki Minaj. Remember that? He said, even Shotty bought into it. Now, Shotty would have known that it was all set up. Okay? Come on. Mike, come on. This is crazy. So, anyways, this was definitely not staged. It just happened at that time. Okay? Anyways, they say these prosecutors are relying on more jurors' bias towards gang culture than they are on the real evidence. That's what they say. They've been forcing puzzle pieces together that clearly don't fit. That's what he said while they're taking this break. Anyways, we will see what happens tomorrow with that case. Anyways, this is Jordan Tower with JT News. Make sure you buy a hoodie. I appreciate you guys. Peace.